In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Gemini with YouTube. By the end, you'll know how to paste any YouTube link into Gemini and turn it into instant summaries, focused answers, polished notes, and even ready-to-use content for your own channel. Start by grabbing a YouTube link and pasting it into Google Gemini. Ask for a summary with prompts like summarize this video, give me key points from this video, or explain this video in simple terms. Gemini will break down the content, highlight the main ideas, and save you time, especially on long or technical videos. This is perfect when you need the big picture fast. You don't have to stop at a summary. Treat Gemini like your personal video assistant by asking targeted questions. Try, what are the main tips in this video? What did the speaker say about AI tools? Or explain step 3 in more detail. Follow-ups help you drill into the parts that matter most so you only learn what you need. When you're studying or creating content, turn the video into structured outputs. Ask Gemini to convert it into bullet point notes, rewrite it as a blog article, or create a YouTube script. You can specify tone, length, and audience, then iterate until the notes or script feel just right. It's a fast way to go from watching to creating. If you're growing a channel, use Gemini to spark ideas. Ask for 10 video concepts on your niche, request attention-grabbing titles, or get a first draft script about productivity or another topic. Refine the ideas with constraints like target audience or content length to make them more actionable. Gemini can also optimize your uploads. Have it write a catchy YouTube title for your topic, craft an SEO-friendly description, and generate relevant tags. Ask for multiple variations and pick the one that best matches your style while keeping keywords natural and readable. To understand what works on YouTube, analyze competitor videos. Paste a link and ask why the video is popular, what makes it engaging, and how to improve on it. Gemini will point out elements like hooks, pacing, structure, and clarity, helping you adapt winning techniques without copying. When transcripts are available, Gemini can summarize them, pull key quotes, and even translate content. If a transcript isn't available, expect lighter results and ask for a high-level overview instead. Put it all together with a simple workflow. Find a video, copy the link, paste it into Gemini, and request a summary, notes, and a script rewrite. Then refine and publish. Try it today with a video you're curious about, and let Gemini handle the heavy lifting.